What's up? I'm going to tell you why my favorite DNS service is Mullvad because they claim to have no logs of your data and everything, and they have been proven in the news that yes, they really don't have your data and they don't have any information on you. They just basically do what their job is. Basically a you know, DNS. Like they're just doing what their job is. A DNS provider. They're not checking your information to then send it off to third parties and companies just for profit. Like they're not using you for profit. No, no. So yeah, it's one of the reasons why Mullvad DNS is one of my favorites, and it's also because I've actually ran tests myself where I can actually see if the DNS that I use is really encrypted. Like it actually encrypts your traffic that you're sending out. So I've done some tests myself. So I made a full test to make sure that is my DNS actually private? Is my DNS sending any plain text? And no, it doesn't. I tested the DNS myself, and it doesn't send any data at all. It's just encrypted data. And another thing is the DNS that Mullvad provides is there's a lot of options you can use. Basically, instead of just only an IP that you can use to connect to their DNS. Like no, with this one you can connect to their DNS through many different ways. You know what I mean? You don't have to just use the IP. You can use the link. And yeah, they also have other options you can use of what other DNS servers you want to connect to that they have, which is really good. It has a lot of options. They also say that they are cashless, meaning that you can actually buy their VPN if you wanted to with crypto. So you can invest into their VPN anonymously. So the Surface in general, what I mean is more private. Those Surface is really good. Like their VPN's really good. Their DNS is really good. You know what I mean? So their Surface they provide is really good, and they've been in news before where they really don't have your data. They really don't have your data at all. And I can literally show you on the screen right now where they don't even have your data. There's nothing they have. So you're more private in everything using their DNS. And VPN if you want to. The VPN's really good, honestly. But yeah, uh, they're a good company and they're trusted, and plus I've ran tests, and yeah, they're really all private and good. And you can also see the tests I've done right now on the screen where I've actually shown that I've ran some tests, like just a quick test, where you can actually see how good the DNS is. Like it doesn't expose your IP, you know what I mean? Like it doesn't no DNS leaks. There's no DNS leaks, there's no problem with the DNS at all. It's really encrypted and really good. So, yeah. Um yeah, that's pretty much it. That's why I've actually trust Mullvad DNS. They have been proven themselves to be really private and privacy friendly. So, if you really want a good DNS service, I would suggest to use Mullvad DNS because it's been proven that they are really good. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, anything you want. Got any questions? Let me know. All right, see ya.